everyone, welcome back to Garden Decor Designs, the channel dedicated to helping you create the outdoor haven of your dreams. Before we start, we want to ask your support to make this channel grow with subscribe to this channel. Leave comment, hit the like button or share this video to your friends and family. Have you ever dreamed of transforming your ordinary front yard into a lush, exotic paradise that transports you to a vacation state of mind every time you pull into your driveway? Today, we are diving into one of the most exciting and impactful landscaping trends: creating a stunning front yard tropical garden with palm trees. Palm trees aren't just for beaches. They are the ultimate statement of luxury, relaxation, and year-round beauty. We are going to show you exactly how to integrate them into a breathtaking tropical haven right outside your door. Get ready to ditch the drab and embrace the drama, because your front yard is about to become the envy of the entire neighborhood. A front yard tropical garden with palm trees is more than just a collection of plants. It's a meticulously designed landscape that replicates the lush, dense, and vibrant ecosystems found in equatorial regions. It is characterized by multi-layered planting, each featuring the iconic palm tree as the structural centerpiece, often complemented by large-leafed foliage, bold flowers, and rich textures. Unlike traditional minimalist front yards, the tropical garden embraces abundance, using a variety of heights and colors from tall, slender palms to understory plants like bromeliads, ferns, and colorful tea plants to create a dense, living tapestry. The goal is to evoke a sense of escape and exotic warmth, making the entrance to your home feel like stepping into a private resort, all while maximizing curb appeal. The benefits of this style of gardening are numerous, extending far beyond simple aesthetics. Most notably, a well-designed tropical front yard offers unmatched curb appeal, instantly boosting your home's perceived value and making a powerful first impression. The dense foliage of a tropical garden also acts as a natural noise barrier, absorbing sounds from the street and creating a quieter, more private sanctuary for your home. Furthermore, the selection of palms and understory plants, many of which are evergreen, ensures year-round visual interest, meaning your garden remains vibrant and colorful even when other landscapes are dormant. Finally, studies have shown that engaging with lush, green spaces can significantly reduce stress and improve mood, effectively transforming your routine walk from the car to the front door into a brief, therapeutic moment in paradise. The key to decorating a tropical garden beautifully lies in balancing the vibrant plant life with complementary hardscape and decor. Start with creating meandering pathways using materials like natural stone, rustic brick, or decomposed granite to guide the eye and create a sense of discovery. Strategic lighting is absolutely crucial. Use uplighting to highlight the dramatic silhouettes of the palm trunks and fronds at night, and soft path lighting for safety and ambience. To ground the look, use large natural boulders or decorative rock borders to separate planting beds from the lawn. Finally, incorporate water features, such as a small tiered fountain or a bubbling urn, as the sound of running water is a quintessential element of the tropical experience, adding a serene and authentic layer of decoration to your paradise. While the palm tree is the star, the supporting cast is what makes the tropical garden truly spectacular. For the central structure, consider queen palms for their fast growth and elegance, pindo jelly palms for colder climates, or dwarf palmettos for smaller spaces. For color and texture beneath the palms, incorporate bromeliads, which provide amazing color without needing much soil or light, and tea plants or crotones for their bold, year-round variegated leaves in shades of red, yellow, and orange. To fill in the lush, shady spots, giant taro alocasia with its huge leaves, and various ferns like the Kimberly queen fern add essential density and soft texture. For a vibrant border, use low-maintenance, colorful plants like lira pea or mondo grass. The key is mixing heights, leaf shapes, and colors to create that desired layered jungle effect down. Let's dive into some practical and inspiring garden design ideas that you can implement in your own space. Here are the collection of the top 10 best front yard tropical garden with palm trees ideas to spark your creativity. 1. Modern patio oasis. While not strictly a front yard garden, this shows how to create an intimate tropical room adjacent to the main entrance. A dark backdrop wall and decking provide a stunning contrast to the lush, vibrant yellow and orange flowers and the sculptural fountain, demonstrating how water and rich foliage create a secluded, upscale retreat. 2. Rock garden integration. This combines the natural structure of large accent rocks with tropical planting. The boulders anchor the garden bed, providing visual weight, while small palm trees and vibrant rosette-forming bromeliads are nestled around them, creating a hardy yet exotic look with a beautiful red mulch ground cover. 3. Sculptural focal point. This design uses the unique form of a thick, twisting tree like a frangipani or plumeria as a sculptural centerpiece. Surrounding it are bold architectural plants like large bromeliads with red-tipped foliage, demonstrating how a mixed planting of interesting textures can create a dynamic, artistic statement piece. 4. Structured greenery. This idea blends the wildness of tropical plants with the neatness of traditional hedging. Manicured boxwood hedges create a defined border, while central palm trees and broad-leafed foliage plants provide the tropical texture. Large, strategically placed natural boulders add an earthy, permanent feel to the design. 5. Drought-tolerant desert tropic. An excellent example of mixing tropical appeal with water-wise landscaping. This bed uses coarse White River rock as a low-maintenance ground cover, highlighting the robust texture of the large palm trunk and the vivid purples and bright greens of the accent plants. It's a clean, bold, and modern take on tropical landscaping. 6. Grand scale statement. This design features 2 substantial mature palm trees symmetrically framing the entrance of a salmon-colored home. The expansive, densely packed flower bed beneath the palms creates a stunning visual mass of hot colors like reds, oranges, and pinks, proving that a few majestic palms can anchor a large, formal landscape beautifully. 7. Tropical resort entrance. This idea showcases how a grouping of slender palm trees provides immediate height and canopy, contrasting beautifully with the home's light stucco facade. The multi-layered underplanting of vibrant red and yellow foliage plants against the meticulously manicured lawn creates a welcoming, high-end resort feel, defining the entrance with lush, year-round color. 8. Vibrant color blocking. A dynamic design that uses dense rows of low-growing plants, like pink and red bromeliads and variegated shrubs, to form a colorful border. The mature palm trees act as vertical anchors, emphasizing the dramatic contrast between the sharp lines of the house and the soft, exuberant explosion of color and texture below. 9. Deep jungle layering. A masterful use of color and texture, featuring a densely packed garden bed that mimics a rainforest floor. Massive elephant ear-style leaves, vibrant red cordylines, and variegated crotones are layered underneath the palm canopy, creating a kaleidoscope of deep, rich colors and varied leaf shapes for maximum visual impact. Lush cottage path, perfect for creating a welcoming shaded entryway. A narrow rustic brick pathway is completely enveloped by oversized, deep green tropical foliage, leading to a charming porch. The dense planting creates a cooling, intimate tunnel effect, emphasizing the feeling of a private, hidden sanctuary, transforming your front yard into a tropical garden with palm trees is an investment in your home's beauty and your daily well-being. It requires planning, but the payoff is a dynamic, living work of art that welcomes you home every single day. Remember, the essence of a tropical garden is layering from the towering palms down to the colorful ground covers, and making sure your hardscape elements complement the lush greenery. By following these steps and drawing inspiration from our top 10 ideas, you are well on your way to creating a truly unforgettable, exotic landscape that will be the pride of your property. We want to know which of these tropical front yard ideas is your favorite. Let us know in the comments below. If this video inspired you to plant a palm tree or two, please give us a thumbs up and subscribe to Garden Decor Designs for more expert tips on transforming your outdoor spaces. Don't forget to hit that notification bell so you never miss our newest guides and design walkthroughs. We'll see you in the next video.